We're now back on the rear side of my beloved Triumph XRx 800 Tiger. Yeah. And now, first we get the rubber thing off. I give it a quick hop. Okay. Sure, it's loose now. Then over here is the reservoir, tiny one. I'm going to show you. Oh, nice. And then, wait a minute, pry it out. Okay, this thing with the tiny hole. It's open, which is good. Then the membrane. Okay, there is some moist on top of it, so first clean that out. Hop, hop, hop. It's good. Wait a minute. So, inside out. Get the old brake oil off, on a brake fluid, and then oh, just a minute. Oh, yeah. Then get it like this, and it said Nissin. Ah, good. Nissin, good. And Nissin calipers. Nissin is a good brand. Yeah. Now, first we're gonna suck the old brake oil, brake fluid out of the reservoir. Like this. Op, 1, 2. Okay, brake fluid. Then give the reservoir a clean inside. So all, yep. So also on the outside. That's easy. It's quick. Then, ladies and gentlemen, gonna, oh, don't forget your wrench first. Yes, squeeze the tube up, put it like this so you can see it. Then fill the reservoir. Pop. Now we're going to do the same. Squeeze the brake, press. Ooh, there was a air bubble. And I see air bubbles coming out. Remember, these days all the motorbikes have ABS, so there is more brake fluid in the system, so you need more brake fluid to renew it. Was a quick tip. So, oh my darling, fill it up. Hop, hop, hop. Now, let's go. So, oh. Oh my darling. So, now, I think that's enough. What are we going to do now? Again, push it a little bit in, then hold it upright. And then, okay, so that's it. Now, close it, clean it, and of course, I'm going to do the magic trick. Watch carefully. It's all brake fluid. Up. So, let it soak for a while. We're gonna fill the reservoir. Come over with this thing a bit out of the way. Now, we got a lower and an upper level, and we fill it just underneath the upper level. I know from my experience that when you put this one in, you push the oil out. You don't want to have that. This thing goes on top, hole, and air gaps, how you call them, slits. Up, up, up. Carefully push it in. Check the top. Is it clean? Yes, it's clean. So, this was my video about doing a brake fluid change on a Triumph XRx 800 Tiger. Yeah, easy, huh? Can you do it? Absolute. With my video and the right tools, it's drop that easy. And I hope you liked this video too. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments. I always love to hear from you guys. I'm gonna mount the rubber caps back on, and then again it's Old Mechanic out.